Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Amazon Fire TV, including Wi-Fi and Amazon Prime. So out of the box, I'm just going to take the plastic wrap off all the legs and various other components that they send you. So now I'm just going to unravel the power cord and plug that in. So I took out the screws. I'm going to screw them into the two legs. Now, of course, if you're mounting these on a TV, you wouldn't need to screw the legs in, but this is what they come with. Otherwise, you'll have to pick up a wall mount. So you're going to take your remote, take all the plastic off. They give you some batteries. We're going to install those batteries, make sure you get them in the right direction. And it'll show you a picture in the remote itself. Just put the cover on. The battery is good to go. Now we'll just bring the TV up. These are fairly light compared to the older models. Now we're going to go through and choose our language. Continue. We're going to search for networks. Now if you can go with 5G network, it's going to be faster for streaming. 2G is not going to be as good for streaming. So unless you have certain bands that you want to operate different things on, I would suggest the 5G. Now you're going to have to put in your Wi-Fi password. Once that's done, hit connect. And it's going to connect to your Wi-Fi. Now you're going to have to check for updates. You're going to download all the various software. This could take a couple iterations. The TV may turn itself off a couple of times and you'll turn it back on and it'll search for more updates. Download those. I sped this up quite a bit. Just be prepared to maybe take 10 minutes to do all the updates. It's probably going to take maybe around 10-15 minutes to do the updates. Now you get a choice. Do you want to sign in with an existing account, or you can set up a brand new account with Amazon? I would suggest go with an existing account, especially if you already have Prime, because that way you get all the Prime movies and TV shows and that sort of stuff. So I'm going to sign in with an existing account. So you can either type in this password at the very bottom to your computer, or you can scan in with your QR code. I'll just do the simple way of typing in this password into my computer. So once we get back to the computer, type in amazon.com/code and hit enter. Then you're going to go through and enter your email address, your password, and all those good things. Then it's going to register your device. So now we're typing in the code from the TV. This is going to be different for every TV. Once you type that in, just hit continue. And if it says successful, you're good to go. You go back to the TV. So now I'm going to save my password and I'll put on the enable the voice commands from Alexa so I can say TV on, TV off. Now I'll go through and start all the various streaming services I want. So there's a lot of free things like PBS and Tubi and ABC, NBC, all the major networks. You can do that here. I'd also download YouTube. Those are all going to be used pretty frequently. And you can scan for channels if you like. I'm going to put that off for now. I also have another video that goes through and shows you how to use an antenna so you don't have to pay for cable. And by the way, the antennas today are nothing like when I was a kid. There's no more rabbit ears. Everything's digital, 1080p, so it's all high definition. And there's a lot of options on this TV, so you can download all the various news networks, and if you have Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, that sort of stuff, you can do that as well. Well, I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.